Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best indoor-outdoor wooden clothes drying racks that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the SONGMIKES Indoor Clothes Rack on Wheels, Rolling Garment Rack with 2-tier storage shelves. This one comes in a unique design and allows you to use it in multiple ways. The wooden clothes drying racks come with smooth rolling casters so that you can roll it conveniently. Additionally, it comes in a one-piece design, and you can easily use it for hanging different items including shoes and bags. It is highly durable and ensures there will be better stability. Furthermore, the product makes sure there will be long-lasting use as this is composed of high-quality bamboo. Moreover, it has an attractive look and comes in an easy-to-assemble design. Moving on at number 4, we have the MyGift 5-foot wall-leaning dark brown wood garment ladder-style wall rack. The wooden cloth drying rack comes in a simple design, and it lets you choose from 2 different colors. This is in a ladder style that can be perfect for hanging blankets, towels, and garments. Additionally, it has a length of 5 feet and is 27 inches wide. The product also includes 3 pegs on all sides that let you hang smaller items like shirts, hats, and handbags. Moreover, this comes in a multifunctional design as you can even use it for displaying retail merchandise. It is composed of high-quality rustic wood and is exceptionally durable. Furthermore, this comes in a stylish design as you can even use it as a cloth valet. The product is available in a spacious design and is very lightweight. At number 3, we have the Peaceful Classics Wooden Clothes Drying Rack. The wooden clothes drying rack comes in lightweight construction and does not require any assembling. This offers you better convenience as it is highly functional. Moreover, it is in a size of 52.5 by 36 inches and has a depth of 17 inches. It is highly portable and offers ample storage for hanging your clothes. This is also very durable and is composed of unfinished wood. Furthermore, you don't have to worry about snagging delicate clothes as this delivers reliable performance. It comes with high-quality craftsmanship and does not disappoint you when it comes to performance. Additionally, it serves as a perfect product for every home and lets you save on the energy bills. This offers a natural way of drying your clothes and can be suitable for your entire laundry. It meets all your indoor drying needs and has a high load capacity. At number 2, we have the Honeycondoo Wooden Laundry Drying Rack. If you are looking for wooden clothes drying rack that lets you use it conveniently, then this can be the exact one for you. This is composed of high-quality material and is exceptionally durable. Moreover, you can move it conveniently as this comes in a lightweight design. With this, you don't have to worry about slipping the clothes as it includes vinyl-coated bars. Furthermore, this will allow you to save energy, and you don't have to worry about electricity bills. Additionally, it has a collapsible structure so that there will be easy storage. It offers 25 feet for drying your clothes and can be perfect for a laundry room. And finally at number 1, we have the Peaceful Classics Amish Craftsman Foldable Wooden Clothes Drying Rack. Eliminating the need for having any assembling, this one comes in a lightweight design. It has an attractive look and does not occupy much space. Moreover, the wooden clothes drying rack is highly portable and gives you the advantage of moving it easily. This comes with accurate craftsmanship and ensures there will be quick air drying of clothes. Furthermore, it is a handmade product and is easy to use. It is composed of brown maple and can last for a long time. Additionally, this is in an efficient design and allows you to fold it conveniently to have a compact storage. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.